Welcome. Today you will learn about the process of baking a cake. To begin, turn on the oven by using red button and use the oven dial to preheat the oven to 280 F. Grab the parchment paper and snap it to round cake pan. Now grab the measuring cup and collide it with flour for gathering it into the cup. Now collide the measuring cup with mixing bowl 1. Now grab the measuring cup and collide it with sugar bag for gathering it into the cup. Now collide the measuring cup with mixing bowl 1. Now grab the baking powder box and collide it mixing bowl 1. Now grab the salt canister and collide it with mixing bowl 1. Now grab the canola oil and collide it with liquid measuring cup. Now grab the liquid measuring cup and collide it with the mixing bowl 2. Now grab the milk jug and collide it with liquid measuring cup. Now grab the liquid measuring cup and collide it with the mixing bowl 2. Now grab the butter and collide it with mixing bowl 2. Now grab the egg and crack it in the mixing bowl 2. Now grab the tablespoon and collide it with vanilla extract bottle. Now collide the tablespoon with mixing bowl 2. Now grab the mixing bowl 1 and collide it with mixing bowl 2. Grab the mixing bowl 2 and collide it with automatic mixer. Now turn on the mixer by clicking on it. Now wait for few seconds, until it is combined, then click on the automatic mixer to stop it. Now grab the mixing bowl 1 and collide it with automatic mixer for gathering the batter into the bowl. Let's grab the mixing bowl 1 that contains cake batter and collide it with the parchment-covered round cake pan. Now we proceed to grab the round cake pan and snap it to the preheated oven. Now click on the timer to set the time for baking a cake. Now wait for few minutes for cake to bake. Grab the round cake pan from the oven and collide it with the plate. Now grab the butter knife and collide it with chocolate frosting. Now grab and collide the butter knife with the cake for applying the chocolate frosting. Superb! This concludes our baking a cake test experience. Feel free to keep baking or go back to the home page and try a different experience.